How to use lemon and other natural cleaning products. The answer is more than simple, with homemade or natural cleaning products. That does not mean that they are less effective, but rather the opposite. In the following article, you can learn how to make your own homemade cleaning products for your house. Multi-use organic cleaner. It is a handmade soap that has various uses. In other words, you can use it to clean different surfaces, from rugs to floors to the kitchen counter to the bathroom. The ingredients that you will need are 30 alcohol to clean, 20 vinegar, 50 distilled water, 20 drops of essential lemon oil. The measurements will depend on the container that you use. The good thing is that you can make a lot of it and save it in a bottle or jar to continue taking advantage of its benefits. Put a splash of a bucket with water and clean it like normal. Homemade cleaner for tile or porcelain. This natural cleaning product also has various uses, but above all, it will be your ally in the bathroom. It is used to clean tiles and appliances, like the bathtub or sink. It can also help you make porcelain decorations or silverware shine. Soak a sponge or cloth in this liquid and wash the surfaces that you want to clean with it. If they have been dirty for a while, let sit for a little bit or scrub it harder. Rinse with warm water. You can also clean bathrooms with vinegar after you have sterilized them with lemon and water. Leave this product on all night and rinse off with water the following morning. Oven degreaser. There is nothing more difficult than removing oven grease, especially if you do not do it very often, because layer after layer forms and it will take a long time to remove it completely. In order to stop using traditional oven cleaners, overly toxic products, that contain petroleum derivatives, potassium hydroxide, and methylene chloride, etc., and prevent skin, eye, and respiratory tract problems, go for a more natural alternative. The first thing you should do is take a cloth soaked in water as hot as you can stand and wash the entire oven. Then, make a thick paste with water and baking soda and apply it to the surface. Let sit for the whole night. You will just have to rinse it with a little bit of water the next day. Natural dish soap. This recipe is great for people that have dishwashers in their home because it lets you keep your glasses, plates, and cutlery clean and with a pleasant smell of lemon. It is also more economical than the products that are sold in stores. You will need 3 lemons, 200 grams of thick salt, 100 milliliters of white vinegar, 200 milliliters of water, 30 milliliters of dish finish, optional. Wash and cut the unpeeled lemons and beat them in the blender, along with the salt. Then add the vinegar, water, and if you like, the dish finish, and blend at high speed. Put it in a pan at medium heat and cook for 15 minutes, stirring once in a while with a wooden spoon. Be careful because it can stick to the bottom. Pour it into a container and let it cool. When it isn't hot anymore, stir it a little because it forms a layer on top. Keep it in the refrigerator closed tightly. Uses it as dishwashing soap, 2 tablespoons per Washington. Organic detergent with ash bleach. Detergent or ash bleach is made very easily and you can use the residues that are in the chimney or stove. You should know that wood or paper ashes only work. The harder the wood is, the better quality the bleach will be. Don't forget to use gloves and glasses if you have very sensitive skin. Avoid contact with your skin when you are making the detergent. Sift the ashes to separate the coal pieces. The more white and charred it is, the better detergent you will get. Put it in a container with hot water with 5 parts water to 1 part ashes. Cover it with a cloth for 1 or 2 days. Stir once in a while. Pour it by filtering it with a cloth or a woman's panties. You will get a slippery to the touch liquid, which makes it a powerful detergent. If you drop a potato or egg in and it floats, that means it is ready. If it sinks, you should add more ashes. You can use it as a liquid detergent and can dilute it with water when using it. Save it in tightly shut bottles. This ash bleach is meant for cleaning clothing and for any utensil that needs to be sterilized like cloths or colanders, for example. Many people use it to disinfect vegetables, roots, legumes, or for disinfecting kitchen or bathroom countertops as well. Homemade and natural air freshener. In order to remove bad odors from your house and stop using spray or other chemical products that can harm your health, don't hesitate to use this air freshener. You will need a glass bottle with a metal cover. Cover 1/4 of it in baking soda and add 8 drops of essential oil. Close the top and mix both ingredients well. Make a hole in the cover with a nail. Put it where you want and when the fragrance is gone, repeat this process.